Welcome back to Build and Play with Cade. Yeah. The channel is awesome. Yeah. This channel sucks. No, it doesn't. No. Okay, now I like the channel. I'm in a better mood now. This channel is great. Today we'll be building a gramophone, a monkey, and a duck. Actually, watch until the end to find out what the monkey does. Nice gramophone that plays music. Kind duck that always wants to join in. Cheeky monkey that ruins all the fun. Watch till the end. Find out the cheeky monkey cheekness. It's very cheeky. Let's start. No, NPC, nice pot use. NPU, nice pot usage. Banana, but here it is used as hair. That is 1. Now let's move on to 2, which this one is going to be a monkey. Monkey bricks. How to build a monkey. Who likes to swing, do. I'm all good, woohoo! Last but definitely not least, the record player. actually, now that I'm remembering, this is actually a gramophone, I think. Yeah, it is. This is actually a gramophone. We're back. I'm no kind monkey. I'm a boxing monkey. I'm ready to punch. And man, my punch is strong. Huh? Ooh. My sniffer. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, my sniffer. Wow, this is really unexpected. Now you two, skedaddle. I'm the one who should have the picture here. Go, 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 go. Yeah, I'm a movie star now. Bam! Bam! Bam, 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 bam! I'm such a big, great movie star. Bam, 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 da do da do da da dee da do da da dee da do da da dee da. And now I'm gonna do the dab. Dee do da 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 dee do da 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 dee. I can funky break dance. Bam, 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 bam. Bwam bwam bam bwam much better we get this shot. No, I'm still middle here. Fine, you can be middle. Snapshot. 3, 2, 1, action. Boom, 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 boom. Woo, woo, doom. Snapshot. Web, web, weboo. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Like all my videos, as many as you want, which should be most. Subscribe to my channel, because I've got a very great channel. And watch many more of my little videos.